What did you say? Oh my goodness sakes. What? Say it again. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Such a big, such a big boy. Did you play in your jumperoo tonight? You did. And did you watch Animal Babies? You watched Animal Babies. And you liked it, didn't you? These kids on the show? Such a big boy. Such a big boy. Are you having a sleepover at Tiffer's? Yeah.